Hey there, welcome to Rebuild Your Knowledge. Friends, these days are Navratri days and we all worship Ma Durga for her blessings. In these days, people do fast, lit Akhand Jot, prepare Chana Halwa and do Kanya Pujan. Friends, as you all know that we do puja of Ma Durga for 9 days in different form, and on the 10th day of Navratri we celebrate Dashera. Most of us know about this. Lord Sri Rama killed Ravana on his day, but there are other mythological stories about it. Dashera or Vijayadashmi is one such festival which the country celebrates with great zeal and enthusiasm. During this festival, people hold outdoor fairs, also called as melas, and large parades with effigies of Ravana. The effigies are burnt on bonfires in the evening, which symbolize the quelling of darkness by light. Dashera also paves the way for the next big festival, Diwali, the festival of lights. Dashera is considered as a day for starting new business. The word Dashera signifies the meaning of the festival itself. The word is formed from two words, Dash meaning 10 and Ahara means day. So this day is called 10th day. Another meaning comes from the mythology of the festival where thus signifies the 10 heads of Ravana or bad or evil, and Hara means to defeat or removal. Dashera or Vijayadashmi has a very unique significance, though people tend to celebrate this festival in their own way, but the significance remains the same. Dashera calls for a celebration to celebrate the victory of good over the evil. People engage in publicly burning the big effigies of Ravana, Meghnad, and Kumbhkarna along with watching Ramlila together. One of the stories that confirms the reasons to celebrate Dashera goes like this. Lord Rama fought with Ravana for a period of 10 days because he had abducted goddess Sita. On the 10th day or on the day of Dashera, it is said that Lord Rama killed Ravana, signifying the power of goodness and humanity is above all. With this motto, it is generally believed that whenever there will be some evil doings, to remind the path of Dharma, God will act as our savior by appearing in some different form. In another mythology, in which goddess Durga killed the buffalo demon Mahishasur on the 10th day of Durga Puja to bring peace to earth, and this day is celebrated as Vijayadashmi. So, over the period of all the 9 days, she is prayed in all her 9 different forms. Her victory is widely celebrated as Vijayadashmi in the eastern part of the country, followed by Durga Visarjan on the 10th day. This celebration is celebrated in different forms in different states. Another story originates from the epic Mahabharata. As per the story, the Pandavas had to spend 12 years of exile and 1 year of disguise since they were banished and defeated by the Kauravas in the game of dice. So they planned to spend the last year of their exile in disguise. Since they didn't want anyone to know about their identities, so they hid their divine and powerful weapons under the Shami tree. At the end of 1 year of disguise, they came back to find their weapons and worshipped Goddess Durga. They went straight away to the war against Kauravas after fetching their weapons and later emerged victorious. The event took place on Dashmi, and since good had won over the evil, that day was called Vijayadashmi and is celebrated till date. We can call this festival like a small carnival to celebrate the win of good over the evil and truth over lies. Particularly in Gujarat, folks gather around to celebrate this festival with great fervor by tapping their feet to dandiya or garba tunes. While in South India, three different goddesses are worshipped: Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Durga, goddess of power and strength. May Goddess Durga bless us with strength and power to fight a struggle. May Goddess Durga take all your worries and illuminate your life with countless blessings. Happy Dashera to all of you. Jai Mata Di.